Hello everyone, today we will start the explanation of chapter 12 algebraic expression. Okay, so what we already discussed, one quick revision. Okay, suppose x square plus 5xy plus 1 is given. Okay, this is called what? Algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression is the combination of constant and variables. Okay, after that we see what? Variables. What are variables? A variable does not have a fixed value. Okay, means the value can be varied. Okay, like this x y z. Okay, it is represented by letters x y z a m n. Okay, etc. These all are variable. Okay, after that we saw what? Constant. What is constant? A constant has a fixed value, means what? Whose value cannot be changed, like 250 minus 4, etc. Okay, now after that we saw what? The terms. Okay, these are called what? Terms. Okay, suppose 2x square minus 5xy is written. Okay, so here this is called what? Expression. Okay, and what are terms? Terms are 2x square, okay, and minus 5xy. Okay, and what are factors? Factors 2xx, and here factor minus 5xy. Okay, after that we saw what? Coefficient is what? The numerical factor of the term is called the numerical coefficient, or simply the coefficient of the term. Here this is coefficient and this is coefficient. Okay, suppose see one example. Suppose 2x plus 4y minus 9. Okay, so these are what? Coefficient. Okay, this I already discussed in my previous video. Okay, this is only revision. And what? Terms. What are terms? Terms are 2x, 4y and 9. Okay, these are terms. After that we discussed what? Like and unlike term. Like terms are terms with the same algebraic factors, like 2x square y and 19x square y. These all are like terms. Unlike, which have what? Different algebraic factors, like 2x square, 3x. This is like term and this is unlike term. Okay, after that monomials an expression with one terms like 2x y x square y. These all are what? Monomials. Binomials, an expression with the two unlike terms, like 5 plus x or x plus y. Okay, these are what? Binomial. And trinomial, an expression which contains three unlike terms. Okay, three unlike terms, x y z. Okay, these is what? Trinomials. And last we discussed what? Polynomials. An expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. Okay, so what? Monomial, binomial and trinomials are all polynomials. Now start the new topic. The next topic is adding or addition and subtraction. Okay, so suppose you have three chalks, okay, and one duster. Okay, if I give you, okay, what you, if I ask how many chalk and duster you have, to you say 3 chalks and what? 1 duster. If I ask how many chalks and duster you have, you say what? 3 chalks and 1 duster. Okay, suppose I give you 1 chalk more. Okay, so again you say what? 4 chalk and 1 duster. If I give you 2 duster more, then what do you say? 4 chalk and 3 duster. So what you observe here? You observe that chalk is added into chalk and duster is added into duster. So always algebraic in algebraic expression, adding and subtracting of only like terms. Okay, thus the sum of two or more like term is a like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the sum of the numerical coefficient of all the like terms. See how to add. Suppose, take one example. Suppose 16x and suppose the question is add 16x and 4x. See, this is like term. So how we will add 16x plus 4x. Okay, now you can take x common. So what will inside? You take x common. Okay, so inside 16 plus 4, this will come what? 20 and x that is. Okay, so what? Unlike term cannot be added or subtracted. Okay, the way like terms are added or subtracted. Okay, suppose here 16x and 14y. Okay, you will write, suppose I say add. Okay, so you will write 16x plus 4y only. Okay, see this example. Only thus like what? Like term will add. Okay, like this, and unlike term will not what? Added or subtracted like what? Like terms. Okay, now see one more example. Suppose the question is subtract 16x and 4x. Okay, means 16x minus what? 4x. Here this is what? Distributive property. Also you can also write in bracket by using distributive property. Okay, now here take x common. 16 minus 4, what will come? X into what? 12 or 12x. Okay, so by this you will add or subtract the what? Algebraic expression. Okay, see one more. One note is there. No note. Okay, I think you will understand by questions only. Suppose see one question. Suppose 4x plus 10. Okay, and 7x minus 4. Okay, you have to add. Now 4x plus 10, okay, plus 7x minus 4. Okay, we have to add. Now we not add the term 4x and 7x are like term. Okay, and so also there are what? 10 and minus 4. Okay, so here see 4x plus 10 plus 7x minus 5. Okay, rearrange like term one side and unlike term other side. Okay, like 4x plus 7x plus 10 minus 5. You can write rearranging the terms. Rearranging terms. Okay, now here 7 plus 4 11x 10 minus 5 what 5. Okay, so this is the addition of these two what algebraic expression. Okay, subtract also. Okay, in the exercise we will see the addition and subtraction in the details. Okay, now come to the next topic, finding the value of the expression. Suppose you have to find the value of the expression. Suppose any expression is given like 6x minus 3. Okay, you have to find the value of the expression for x is equal to suppose 2. Okay, you have to find the value of this expression for x is equal to 2. It's mean you have to put the value of x in the expression. Okay, so here 6 into 2 minus 3, this is equal to 12 minus 3. Okay, is equal to 9. Okay, so the answer is 9. Like this you have to find the value of the expression. Anything, suppose two variable are there, 4x minus y. Okay, suppose the question is find the value of the expression for expression is this, for x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, so only you have to put the value of x and y in this what expression. So 4 into 1 minus 2, this is 4 minus 2, this is 2. This we will discuss in the exercise also. Okay, this is only an idea of the what finding the value, addition, subtraction. Okay, now come to the next topic, one topic in your NCERT, using algebraic expression. Okay, formula and rules. So how we will make formula and rule by what? Using algebraic expression. Everyone knows that. Suppose any parameters. Okay, or perimeter. Okay, this is suppose equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means means equal. Okay, all sides are equal. Everyone know the perimeter of equilateral triangle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of the side. Okay, suppose length is what? L, it's mean 3 into L. Okay, similarly perimeter of a square, this is a square. Okay, square means all sides are equal, L and L. You can also take A. Okay, so this is what? This is variable and this is also a expression. Okay, so what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square, that is 4L. Okay, and pentagon 5L. Okay, like this. Area formula also. What is the area of square? Means side square. This is what? L square. Okay, area of rectangle. This is what? L into B, or you can write like L into B. Okay, like this you can make so many formulas by using what? Algebraic expression. Okay. Okay, next topic is rule of number pattern. This is also very easy topic. In NCERT it is also given. This you don't have to write. Okay, this is only explanation. Suppose n is what? Natural number. Okay, if a natural number is denoted by what? N, its successor is what? Successor is what? N plus 1. N plus 1 is its successor. Okay, we can check this for any natural number. Okay, suppose I ask what is the successor of the natural number 12. Okay, 12 successor means 12 plus 1, that is 13. Okay, so n is equal to 12 and successor of 12 is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Okay, so by this you will find what? Any successor of the natural number. Okay, suppose I asked what is the successor of 100, that is what? 100 plus 1, put in this formula. 100 plus 1, that is 101. Okay, the next topic, not next topic, same. Suppose a natural number is denoted by n to n. Okay, and already I told n is what? Natural number. So 2n, what 2n will denote? This will denote what? Even number. Even number. You can check by any will. Suppose n is 4. Okay, put the value of 4 in this equation. 2 into 4, that is 8. 8 is also even number. Suppose n is 3. Put the value of this in this equation. 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 is also even number. So this will verified for any natural number, means 2n, where n is what? Natural number. 2n denote always what? Even number. And 2n plus 1, this will denote what? Odd number. Okay, odd number. You can check. Put then you suppose n is 1. 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that will come what? 3, and 3 is what? Odd number. Suppose n is 5. So 2 into 5 plus 1 means 10 plus 1, that is 11. 11 is also an what? Odd number. Okay. Okay, so in our next video we will start exercise 12.1. Okay, if you have any confusion in these two explanation video, ask in the comment box, and don't worry, I will explain in deeply when we will start what? Exercise. Okay, how to add how to subtract, how to multiply, how to find the value. Okay, I think in this only 3 or 4 exercises are there, and very easy chapter this is. Okay, if you have any query, ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you.